Hai guys, perkenalkan aku Nomi Patresia Sialoho dengan NIM D1B025175 Prodi Agribisnis R007. Di sini aku mau melatih pembelajaran TikTok aku untuk PJBL minggu ketiga. Minggu keempat. What really happens to the plastic you throw away? Judulnya. Transcript. This is story of the plastic bottles, empathy and discreet. Their journey are about to different with outcomes that impact nothing less than the fate of the plants, but they weren't always this way. To understand where these bottles end up, we must first explore their organics. The heart of your story were concrete in an oil refinery. The plastic in the bottles was formed by chemical bonding oil and gas molecules together to make monomers. In turn, these monomers were bonded into long polymer chains to make plastic in the form of millions of plates. Those were molded at manufacturing plants and recombined in molds to create result material that makes up the triple bonds. Machines filled to the bottles with sweetie bubble ale, and they were then warped, shaped, bold, opening, concept, and equimously discreet. And now, here they lay pots at the edge of the Bottle one, like hundreds of millions of tons, this plastic brought end up in landfill. This hook dump expand its days as more that comes in continuous to the make up space as plastic sheet their bank compounds a mulch layer of the June rainwater falls through the west and absorb the water soft compounds it contains, and some of the are highly toxic. Together they created a harmful stay called liquids which can move into groundwater, soil and streams, poisoning ecosystem and harming wildlife. It can take bottle one agonizing 100 years to decompose. Bottles 2 journey is time, but unfortunately no happen. He floods and a trickle that trickle a stream that falls into a river, and a river that reaches the ocean. After months, let's see, he slowed down into a mass vortex where there's accumulates a place known as the Great Plastic Gerbang Page. Here than ocean currents have tapped millions of pairs of plastic debris. This is one of 5 plastic-filled graves in the world. Sea place get ended in the maze. They and others mistake they break a colored plastic bit for food. Plastic makes them feel full when they not so they start to death and pass. The toxin from the plastic of the food chain. For explain, it's eaten by lanternfish. The lanternfish are eaten by squid, The squids are eaten by tuna and the tuna are eaten by us. And most plastic don't biodegradable, which means they are destined to break down into small and small pieces called microplastic, which make rotten in the seal eternity. Thank you.